Hey guys, welcome back for another video. This is going to be part 2 of the Cancer Damascus with BBs. And I'm going to do something a little bit different that I haven't done before in my past videos. And I know I don't have a lot on YouTube yet. I only got 3 videos up, but you can see all my past work on my Facebook page at Wolf Claw Forge on Facebook group. You could watch all of them. So I'm going to do things a little bit different for the rest of this video. And the last one that I made, if you remember right, I had a real deep crack here. And that one right there is a little concerning. I was looking at it, this guy, this one, and that one don't look too deep. And that one don't look too deep either. I'm thinking if I cut it off at the end here, and at the end here, which I was going to probably cut it off anyhow, even if it didn't crack, the rest of it I should be able to grind out. I'm going to throw a flat disc on the grinder and just go to town on this. I want to get set up and try to get some nice shots. I got all the grinding done. I got most of the cancer off. I took it over to the belt grinder. Them cracks were a little bit more than what I really wanted them to be, so I had to actually cut another chunk off. Still have one more crack, but as long as it don't travel, I could address it later. I don't think it's all that deep. But here's the pattern so far. Starting out pretty cool. There's the center core. And I'm going to get the forge laid and move on. Okay, so during the forging process, I seen a whole lot of cracking going on. Well, what ended up being was surface cracking, and I think I know what happened there. So when I was filling the canister with the metal BBs, I think I was putting in too much at one time, and steel powder didn't make it all the way through. So in the video, you'll see me cutting and chopping and grinding and stuff like that. What I thought was cracks going all the way through, it was just surface cracking. But I'm able to salvage this project, but I'm going to have to do stock removal from here on out. And this is the design. Give me a minute. You see a little bit better? This is a design I come up with. Now, I made a couple of these. This is kind of like my own design. But because of the issues I was having, I have such small billet. I mean, it sucks. It's a lot of waste steel, but it is what it is. But that's what I'm going to do next. Get cut, get ready to go, and start going talon grinding. Alright, I got it all quenched and hardened. Wow, sitting there singing. Next, I'm going to do the pre-grind for the temper. Get all the oil off, all the scale off, and let it sit in there for a couple cycles and finish getting her ground up. See you back in a little bit. Alright, I got her out of the temper. She got a pretty nice golden shawl color to her. I did 2 cycles at 400 degrees for an hour. I want to go ahead and finish up the grinding and go to the fit and finish. That is a very pretty pattern. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the handle scales on. But I just want to give you another shot at this. That's actually really cool. I am going to give it a little bit deeper etch. It was only 10 minutes or so in the etch. Now I think what happened up in here was I ground too much off. Same thing with this side here. Ground a little bit too much off. But it still gives it a pretty cool effect. I definitely was not expecting that. So, time to get started on glue up. Alright guys, I am done with this project today. Look at that beautiful pattern. I'm going to give her a coffee etch later on to dark everything up. But that's a pretty cool pattern. And as a bonus, she is sharp.
Yeah, throw it.
Alright. My son has got to say something.
Yeah, man, he was cutting out like money, but there's something I want to say. Like and subscribe and click that bell.
Alright guys, thank you for joining me along with this build. I always have new ideas what to do with the canister. This one was quite interesting. I didn't think it was going to work. Now I know what my problems was. So if I do it again, I want to not make that same mistake twice. The problems that occurred was I don't think I had enough steel powder in between the BBs. I don't think I knocked it down enough. So what I was doing was I was adding too many BBs and not putting powder in soon enough. So I think that's what the problem was with that. why I had so many cracking issues. But other than that, I mean, this thing turned out great. Enjoy, have fun. If you like this video, as John said,
like and subscribe and click that bell.
alright guys, have a good
Bye.
one. Bye.